Craving a quick and delicious dinner? This honey garlic chicken recipe is ready in just 15 minutes and tastes like it came straight from a restaurant. Let's get started. Here's what you'll need. Chicken thighs or breasts, boneless. Garlic, minced, soy sauce, honey, olive oil, salt and pepper to taste. Simple ingredients, but the flavor is out of this world. Start by seasoning the chicken with salt and pepper. This simple step builds the foundation for all the amazing flavors to come. Heat some olive oil in a skillet over medium-high heat. Then sear the chicken until it's golden brown on both sides. This should take about 3 minutes per side. While the chicken is cooking, let's prepare the sauce. Combine minced garlic, soy sauce, honey, and a splash of water in a bowl. Stir until it's smooth and glossy. Now pour the sauce over the chicken. Reduce the heat and let it simmer for a few minutes. This step infuses the chicken with that sweet and savory honey garlic flavor we all love. And just like that, dinner is ready. Garnish with sesame seeds or fresh parsley for a finishing touch. Serve it over rice, noodles, or with a side of veggies for a complete meal. Quick, easy, and absolutely delicious. This honey garlic chicken is perfect for busy weeknights or whenever you need a quick dinner fix. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below if you give this recipe a try. Cook with love, and I'll see you next time.